So I'm working on my rituals for sickness, amongst other things. And they are going now, as you see, and they're doing what I asked them to do. So it is done. You can use turkey vultures for curses, for death, illness, whatever you choose to use the turkey vulture for, because technically they are death. They eat carcasses, they eat dead things, they carry diseases anyways. They can, from the food that they consume. And look, there's my Cordelia to tops it off. I love you, Cordelia. That was awesome. So it is done. Military Narias. Thank you for answering me, Military Narias. I love you too. Holy fuckballs. Wow. Hello. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Military Narias. That was badass. Thank you. Sorry, my dog jerked me. Thank you.